This baked feta pasta recipe is all the rage. However, I'm doing this one without the feta. Can you believe it? Let me show you how to make it. So first, I'm mixing together a marinade that I'm going to be pouring on top of my tofu. The recipe is on my website, nicolesinga.com, but it's simply some lemon juice, a little bit of white wine vinegar, olive brine, and some spices, mixing that all together. And then I'm going to be pouring that on top of my tofu and marinating it for 20 minutes to about an hour. Meanwhile, I'm preparing my casserole dish with olive oil and some grape tomatoes. Putting that tofu in the middle with the marinade on top, and I'm putting that in the oven at 400 for about 25 minutes. And I'm adding some minced garlic on top, and I'm just chopping up the tofu feta. It's not going to be as creamy as a real feta, but the taste is still there. I'm adding my cooked pasta and then some fresh basil and some red pepper flakes. It's so delicious. I can't wait for you to try it. Grab the recipe on my website.